What's up guys, how are my beautiful people doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dan. Today I'm gonna talk about benzoyl peroxide and why it may not work for you. I'm gonna focus more on the short contact therapy, which is the method that I'm using. And yeah, before I start though, please consider following me on Instagram, on Facebook, subscribe to this channel for more videos related to skincare, nutrition, supplements. And also you may check out my Patreon. I might not have a Patreon now, but I will soon. I said that in so many videos already. So you may check the description down below. Wow, it suddenly got so cloudy and I feel like the lighting is gonna change, so sorry about that guys. Benzoyl peroxide and the short contact therapy. I feel like not enough people talk about the short contact therapy with benzoyl peroxide. I feel like everybody talks about benzoyl peroxide as a leave-on treatment, but not enough people talk about the short contact therapy, which in my opinion is supposed to be the more popular way to use benzoyl peroxide, just because benzoyl peroxide, it is such an amazing acne fighting, probably one of the best acne fighting ingredients, but it's so harsh to the skin. It just gives people so much irritation, redness, just compromised moisture barrier, and irritation is actually a huge acne triggerer. So basically you are killing the P. acne bacteria with the help of benzoyl peroxide, but at the same time you create all this irritation which leads to new acne, to more pimples, sometimes even worse acne than before starting the benzoyl peroxide. So that's why all of that can be avoided with the short contact therapy. By the way, what is short contact therapy? It is just basically leaving the benzoyl peroxide on your skin for like 3, 4, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It depends on your tolerance and your skin resiliency. Ooh, what word was that? I don't think I've ever used that before. Is that a word though? This way, we benefit from the benzoyl peroxide. There are studies actually proving that benzoyl peroxide is effective even when left on the skin for 2 minutes only. So we avoid all the irritation, but we take advantage of the benzoyl peroxide's benefits. So especially for people that are older than 20, mid-20, 30, teenage skin is more resilient, so it can handle more irritating ingredients, more benzoyl peroxide. But as you get older, your skin gets more sensitized, yeah. It just gets drier, you produce less oil, so especially people that are a little bit older, they might have a bad experience with the benzoyl peroxide. The chances for you to have a bad experience increase as you get older. But yeah, let's say, let's suppose someone starts using a benzoyl peroxide leave-on treatment. I feel like many people experience this. For the first couple of days, you might notice a reduction in acne. You might notice that benzoyl peroxide really works and it's such a good ingredient. But in about 2, 3, 4 weeks, sometimes it takes a couple of months for some people, you might notice that your skin is so much more irritated, red. That was actually my experience. I started using benzoyl peroxide, a leave-on treatment, this one from Neutrogena, and for the first couple of days I noticed a huge reduction in my acne, but in about 3 weeks I think my skin was so red, it was stinging every time I would apply certain ingredients, certain products, and it was irritated. Basically my moisture barrier was a mess. And a damaged moisture barrier, it is the perfect environment for acne. That is just perfect. It is irritated, like I said, irritation triggers acne. So basically my acne was just much worse than when I started using benzoyl peroxide. I of course started doing some research, what is going on. I remember I was watching Dr. Dre and she said in one video that benzoyl peroxide is effective even when left on the skin for 2 minutes. I was like, okay, that sounds like a pretty good way to use benzoyl peroxide. So I did some research online. I took a 3-4 weeks break. I was not using any active, just to give my skin a break to let the moisture barrier repair itself. And after that, I just started doing the short contact therapy. I feel like with the short contact therapy, you might get results a little bit slower just because you don't leave the product on your skin. But my skin was just so much better. Because I was doing the short contact therapy, I was not irritating my skin. I was also able to include salicylic acid in my skincare routine, different, which is adapalene. So I was not only benefiting from the killing P. acne. How should I formulate this? My English is such a mess sometimes. So I was killing the P. acne bacteria with the benzoyl peroxide, but at the same time, I was exfoliating my skin with the salicylic acid. I was able to benefit from adapalene, which is helping with the skin cells renewal. So that was the perfect combination. I feel like benzoyl peroxide short contact therapy was the missing piece in my puzzle, skincare puzzle or something. Because with this combination, I was able to just get the best skin since I started getting acne. That was like 12 years ago when I was 12. So yeah, I was doing it once a day after cleansing my face. I would sometimes do it twice a day, but usually once a day at night. I was cleansing my face, then I would apply this Neutrogena, what is this? Rapid Clear Stop Burn Acne. This has 10% benzoyl peroxide, so it's one of the more potent product, but it is what is this? It is well, it is a cleanser. I was not using it as a cleanser, I was using it as a mask. I was putting it on my face, massaging for like 2 minutes, then I would rinse it off. Sometimes when I felt like my skin was more sensitized, I was using this Neutrogena, I think this is a leave-on mask, daily leave-on mask, yeah. This has 2.5% benzoyl peroxide, so if I would suggest you to start with this one, even for the short contact therapy. It's still effective. I feel like I just like using this one because it's a little bit more cost effective. Look how much you get in here. But this also works great, and I would actually recommend this one better or more than this one. This has menthol, this has strong fragrance which might irritate your skin. This is free of fragrance. Doesn't have any irritant besides the benzoyl peroxide, but we need this one. So yeah, I would recommend these two, or any benzoyl peroxide you have or you can afford. Just leave it on your skin for 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you think it's best for you. You may try 10. Yeah, like I said, this allows you to combine the benzoyl peroxide with other actives like salicylic acid, adapalene, retinol, retinoids, generally speaking. Yeah, that is it for today, guys. I really hope this is gonna help you. This is gonna be helpful for you. I hope it's the helpful advice. Let me know in the comments below. By the way, it got so dark outside. The lighting is a mess. I apologize for that. It's just, I don't know what's going on. It's gonna snow, I guess. I hope this helps, and let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried the short contact therapy. What was your experience with it? If you've ever tried the benzoyl peroxide as a leave-on treatment, as a short contact, just share your experience down below. I would really appreciate that, and that's it. Love you all. See you on my next video. Bye.